Hello students, so one more video, तिसरे डेरिवेशन लेसनाचे स्पेशल व्हिडिओ फॉर माय स्पेशल स्टुडंट्स. हांगा आमी कितें करता, वी आर फायंडींग द इलेक्ट्रीक फील्ड एट अ पॉयंट एट अ डिस्टन्स फ्रॉम अ स्ट्रेट युनिफॉर्मली चार्ज कंडक्टर ऑफ इनफायनायट लेंथ. थोड्या बुकांनी दिला इनफायनायट लेंथ म्हणून. ओके, सो ऑफ इनफायनायट लेंथ ऑल्सो यू कॅन टेक. दिस इज द एप्लिकेशन ऑफ गॉस लॉ. फर्स्ट एप्लिकेशन गॉस लॉ कितें म्हणटा, इलेक्ट्रीक फील्ड जे फ्लक्स तयार करतात अराउंड द सरफेस इज इक्वल टू द फ्लक्स इज गिवन बाय क्यू इनसाइड upon epsilon naught. This is the Gauss law. Okay, so given a surface and the flux that is because of the charge inside j flux तयार जाता, it is equal to q inside upon epsilon naught. Okay, so this is Gauss law. So we are using this law by finding. So let us start with this. आम्ही derivation करूया. We will use this derivation. So एक कंडक्टर घे which is of infinite length. Let P be a point at a distance r. A distance r, perpendicular distance r from the conductor. This conductor is uniformly charged. So we are giving the charge to it. Say plus charge. किती चार्ज दिवपा आता, प्लस और मायनस some charge. So this is the condition. So हांगा कितें करचें पडटलें, गिवन कितें, गिवन point P at distance r from conductor. Okay, and the conductor is uniformly charged. See, why can you, how or what are the reasons for which you can apply Gauss law? There is एक कारण आसा. एक कारण म्हणजे असो पॉइंट मेळटा, जर तुका असो पॉइंट मेळटा ज्या जाग्यार इलेक्ट्रीक फील्ड परपेंडिक्युलर आसता किंवा त्या जाग्यार इलेक्ट्रीक फील्ड पॅरलल मेळटा, जाल्यारूच यू कॅन अप्लाय गॉस लॉ. रिमेंबर दीस. ओके, सो हांगा तुका इलेक्ट्रीक फील्ड परपेंडिक्युलर मेळटा काय पॅरलल मेळटा तें पळय. हो जर कंडक्टर असो घेतलो कंडक्टर आनी तो चार्ज आसा, जाल्यार हांगाच्यान चार्जीस दे आर प्लस, म्हणटा इलेक्ट्रीक फील्ड इज गोईंग रेडियली आउटवर्ड. सो ह्या पॉयंटार नॉट ओन्ली दीस, एनी पॉयंट अराउंड इट, एनी पॉयंट अराउंड दिस पॉयंट, जाल्यार थंय इलेक्ट्रीक फील्ड मेळटलें सगळें रेडियल. सो हांगाच्यान इलेक्ट्रीक फील्ड अशें वतलें, हांगाच्यान अशें वतलें. ओके, देन यू कॅन यूज गॉस लॉ. दॅट इज अ कंडिशन फॉर युजींग गॉस लॉ. सो वी आर कंस्ट्रक्ट a Gaussian cylinder around conductor such that conductor is the axis of cylinder and ho pay asa r is radius of cylinder. So with this as the radius and this as the axis we are constructing. So cylinder also asla. So let us consider this and let us even give the length to that cylinder. Okay, so आम्ही किती करूया, length decide करूया. We आमच्याकडे radius असा, so we are deciding length. So construct a Gaussian cylinder around of length, of length L around conductor. Construct a Gaussian cylinder of length L around conductor such that the conductor is axis and r is the radius of the conductor, right? So our cylinder is in place. So आम्ही गॉस लॉ यूज करतो जाल्यार दोन तरेचे फ्लक्स काडचे पडटले. वन फ्लक्स आम्ही सेपरेट काडपाचे and equate it to flux by Gauss law and then we get answer. So for that we need something. We need let lambda be the linear charge density. Okay, let lambda be the linear charge density. आमकां कितें आसा, ह्या इतले स्पेसान भितर कितलो चार्ज आसा तो जर कळपाक जाय जाल्यार आमी लॅम्बडा एक असो घेवचो. सी, बिकॉज वी आर कन्सिडरिंग इनफायनायट लेंथ, सो एक पर्टिक्युलर लेवल ऑफ चार्ज इन पर्टिक्युलर लेंथ जर जातलें जाल्यार यू कॅन कॅल्क्युलेट द चार्ज फॉर अ पर्टिक्युलर लेंथ. सो आमी अशें धरया की लॅम्बडा इज इक्वल टू क्यू बाय एल. क्यू बाय एल म्हणजे ह्या लेंथान भितर हो चार्ज अशें धरया. सो ह्या लेंथान भितर हो चार्ज हो धरया. सो एनी टायम्स नंबर ऑफ एल, सो इफ इट इज एल इज इक्वल टू 500 एल, देन लॅम्बडा कितलो आसतलो 500 इंटू क्यू और 500 लॅम्बडा, सॉरी 500 लॅम्बडा. Okay, so lambda कितना आसतलो q by l. So if l is 500 times lambda, so automatically q is going to be 500, no, 500 times q from this equation, correct? So because we are considering unit charge, the charge density per unit length, so this has become the regular measure for kitल्या length calculate करपाक. I think you understood this. Okay, next. आता flux is given by was flux is equal to what? आमचा regular formula E dA. This is the flux. The total flux is given by integral. So total flux through cylinder. Okay, total flux through this cylinder, Gaussian cylinder is EdA. Now आता हे integration करतानी this is actually closed integral. Why? Because it's a closed surface. So closed integral. You have to integrate it around the whole of the cylinder. Around the whole of the cylinder. आता म्हाका सांग, हांगाच्यान जर flux जर घेतलो जाल्यार electric field येवची पडटली and the area घेवची पडटली. You know, flux is equal to dA. So area घेवची पडटली. So area we know. One area is the circular one, curved surface area, and other is these two circles. Okay. आता हांगाच्यान इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अशें वता E. हांगाच्यान इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अशें वता, हांवें बरयलां हांवें E. हांगाच्यान इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड वतलें काय ना? Will there be electric field perpendicular or in the same line of the conductor? No, E will be 0. हांगाय बी E will be 0. So if E is 0, हांगाच्यान फ्लक्स काय वच्चे ना. So flux will go through, the total flux is equal to what? Through CSA. पहली बोलया, total flux is through CSA घालया. Through CSA कितलो? Flux through CSA is equal to कितलो? Close integral E dA from 0 to 2 pi r L, curved surface area. 0 to this, and it flux through circular area is equal to 0. हांगाच्यान खंय वच्चे ना. So circular area is 0 because E is equal to 0. Okay, so since E is 0, flux is 0. So हेच आमकां मेळ्ळा, एकूच फ्लक्स मेळटा. So we get total flux is equal to हांगा बरया, total flux phi is equal to E जालें separate कित्याक E is constant भायर सरलो इंटिग्रेशनांतल्यान. 0 2 pi r a dA इंटिग्रेट जाता E into 2 pi r, that is a total flux. एक मेळ्ळो total flux. E into 2 pi r. This is integration, you must know. E into 2 pi r. So this is one flux. Now, according to Gauss law, आमकां Gauss law सांगला कितें? The total flux is equal to Q inside upon epsilon naught. And this is by Gauss law. This is, we have to match. But आता Q inside कितो पोवचो पडटलो. Q inside कितें? And we know this lambda we have taken as for this length. So this, according to this, lambda is equal to Q inside upon L. एका आमी number 1 दिवया, एका number 2 दिवया, आणि एका number 2 जालो, not this. This is number 2. And okay, let's see. So this is equal this Q inside upon L. सारकें बरयता. Why Q inside upon why Q inside कित्याक जालो तर आमी Lच बदलला न्ही. L बदललो म्हणटकीर Q inside जालो ना, obviously. So this becomes, so Q inside is what? Lambda into L. From is equal to lambda L upon epsilon naught. From 1. Right? So एका आमी कितें करया? This is, let this be equation 2. So this is 3. Sorry. From equation 1. Why Q inside is now lambda into L. कळ्ळें? हें कळ्ळें आसता तुमकां. So Q inside is, so this is our third equation. Now we can equate the two. So equating equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and equation 2. We have what? E into 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to lambda L 2 pi r L no. Okay, हांगा चुकलें a into 2 pi r L न्ही 2 pi r L करेक्ट L घातला आनी मागीर विसरलो पळय is equal to lambda L upon epsilon naught. Because आता याद जालें कित्याक L cancel जाता न्ही, so L has to be there. 2 pi r L 2 pi r L हांगा चुकलें म्हणून हांगा चुकलें. So L gets cancelled. So finally you get E is equal to 1 by 2 pi epsilon naught into lambda by r. एका मातशें बॉक्सान घालया. हे कळ्ळें आसता तुमकां. E is equal to 1 by 2 pi epsilon naught into lambda by r. This is the electric field at a point P at a distance r. R आयलो भितर. Lambda तुमकां खबर आसा. Depending what is the length given, what is the charge given, accordingly per unit length समज दिले, multiplied by with that length you get the lambda. So this is the electric field. It is okay. The conclusion is what? Ki electric field at the point near the conductor is E is inversely proportional to R. This is the conclusion of this derivation. आता तुमकां just for information I will tell you one thing. For a normal charge plus q, हांगा जर electric field काडटा जाल्यार this electric field is inversely proportional to r square. If this is r, proportional r square, right? For dipole, if this is the midpoint and हांगा जर electric field this is the midpoint of dipole, आमी पयलीं केला. This is plus q and minus q and one midpoint. हांगाच्यान हांगा जर electric field काडटा at a distance x, it is inversely proportional to 1 upon x cube, right? Even for equatorial plane also it is same thing. Dipole and E, it is inversely proportional to 1 upon x cube. And if for a conductor, this is the point and this is r, then E is inversely proportional to 1 upon r. This is just for information. Just 1 upon r. Fine. That's all. Thank you.